Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to recover the deleted files or data recovery on Mac. So let's say suppose you have a file which has been deleted. For example, I will delete this file and move to trash. So what it does, it will go and store it in the trash bin where you can just go and recover that particular file. So if I open the trash bin, here you can see the same file which is being in the trash. I can just go and put back. So this is only in case when you have deleted this file and it has been not deleted from the trash folder as well. Now this is one of the simplest thing. The next thing is if you have a time machine backup on external drive, you can just go and open the time machine. Right now my time machine is not set up, but if you have a time machine set up already and the files have been stored in that, you can just go and restore the time machine backup to the last backup where the file was available, and you can recover from that. The third option is by checking into the iCloud. Say suppose you have the iCloud account and your files and folders have been synced in the iCloud account. So you can just go open the iCloud account on the Safari browser, and within the Safari browser, after you open the iCloud, you can just click on this profile icon, and here you can see the data recovery. Just go select that, and here if there are any files which have been deleted from your desktop and still available in the data recovery folder, you can just go and restore those files. Select that files and then click on restore, and it will restore those files. Now the third and the last is the option to use the third-party tools like Disk Drill or the EaseUS Data Recovery File or Studio. These are the third-party tools that you can download and run the scan. After running the scan, it will automatically find what are the files that were deleted, and you have the option to restore those files. For that, it comes with a pricing. It is not available for free. Most of the third-party data recovery tools come with a price, and it is no guarantee that it will 100% recover the files if it is not available on your system at all. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.